Ego 30-inch mower. Keyword concept, by the way. I got specs also. I'll share the specs a little later on in the video. This will be real short. I'm also going to give someone credit because, to be honest with you, I mean, I grabbed some screenshots for now. I didn't want to take the video. You guys will probably go check the video out. But guys, take a look at these images for a minute. I'm going to show the back side. Look how wide this thing is. Obviously, these images are not going to be great. But then you go to the side, you could see a little more. And then you go to the front side, right? Look at that. Again, concept. And then you look at the front. You could see the whole thing. And then we'll zoom into a wheel, which, you know, is a crappy wheel. Of course, it's a concept. But take a look at this now. Dual motor. All right? Now, let me go ahead and go over specs real quick. And before I do that, I want to give somebody credit. So here's the guy. His channel's at Fresh Cuts Lawn. And he was the only one that I know of that had any video online about this 30-inch mower that is at this point a concept. But, you know, why not go check his channel out, all right, when you guys get a chance? At least, you know, since I'm showing you this and I grabbed some screenshots, again, I didn't want to take the video. I don't do that. But check out his channel when you get a chance. Let's talk about some specs so far. So let's go over what we know so far. Ego Concept, 30-inch commercial super composite mower. So gas equivalent, 230 cc's. Deck material, super composite. So they're going with that super composite. Brushless motor. Now, this says dual motor. Take a look at this image real quick again. It says dual motor. So this might be two 15-inch blade systems side by side. And it might even be dual on each side. Who knows? Again, we don't know that yet. It is a dual battery system, so that's good. IP rating, IPX5. And again, this is commercial, guys. Only going to come with a 2-year warranty. Even if you buy it for residential and you register it, you will only get a 2-year, I promise. This thing is heavy, 112 pounds. Now that's tool only. And this is supposed to launch in 2026. But again, it is still a concept. And you looked at the wheel. I mean, you could tell that that was just a basic wheel they put on that. But that's a nice concept. What do you guys think? So let's stop for a minute. What do you think? Do you think this is going to come out next year? What else would you like to see on it? Because Ego watches these videos. What else would you like to see on it? Make sure you post a comment down below. All right? And then hit that like button, by the way. I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the thumbs up button. And check out that guy's channel, by the way, too. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.